KESIP has been one of the more demanding assignments in my experience because of the unique challenges that one faces in working in Afghanistan. DABs have had many problems in the past years trying to maintain or trying to be profitable while assuring reliable customer service for the customers, which has been compounded by the turmoil within the nation. In this regards, KED was advised to first implement the customer information system to improve the service connection and revenue management business processes, and then the customer relationship management and customer self-service systems for serving their customers better. We also wanted to select a vendor who understands the energy and utility market and has experience in implementing comprehensive system in a challenging environment or in a tough environment like Afghanistan. We also wanted a solution which is adaptable to the comprehensive business process redesign that we wanted to initiate. After a round of global bidding for the project, KESIP chose Empower CIS CRM system from the Phoenix IT Solutions, considering the maturity of the Empower product for utilities, the project management and implementation expertise of Phoenix, and the overall lower total cost of ownership for the solution, as well as much better rate of return than expected. The Empower solution was also found to be very much responsive and very much capable of fulfilling all our technical specifications identified in the RFP. The eventual solution was implemented in almost 6 short months, and we started the billing immediately after the implementation. Now, from the outset, the Phoenix's implementation team's professionalism, willingness to go the extra mile, observance of deadlines and technical expertise assured us that we were in the safe hands. All demands placed on the project were met with flexibility, determination to excel, and the technical know-how how to deliver. Typically, in my experience, when we work with a vendor, usually you look at the scope of work and what has been defined in the scope of work and then pretty much stick to that. But in this case, since things or the requirements kind of change on a regular basis, in fact on a weekly basis, so one of the very kind of important things, or one of the best things that we found out about Phoenix was that their flexibility and their willingness to make those changes or to adapt to those changes and not look at the scope of work or kind of go back to the scope of work and say that wasn't included in there. So it was truly a partnership rather than just a vendor coming in and implementing a solution, and we found that kind of commitment, that kind of flexibility took us a long way in implementing a solution in which it was very hard to determine upfront what needs to be implemented. In this endeavor of ours to help commercialize the nationwide utility, which is the Afghanistan Prashna Shirkat DABs, Phoenix actually played a very important role in bringing in the domain expertise and their Empower product suite for utilities.